Some things are made classic by design, like The Godfather, these aviators, any song from Nusrat Fateh Ali, and this house. Let's go and take a look. We're here in the heart of DHA Phase 5 on Khebane Moment, visiting this glorious 2,000 square yard house. Look at the ample parking spot. This house is made classic by design. You've got your open space here, you've got your garden there, 6 bedrooms downstairs, 6 bedrooms upstairs. We're going to go through every single amenity. So join me. The first thing you're going to notice about this house is the massive door space. This is a half door. You can extend it and make the door even larger if you want. And you want to talk about first impressions. The first impression you get is this real wood, hand carved right here. This is going to set a tone for the rest of your house. Let's go take a look inside. Even on the darkest night, this chandelier is going to bright up your entire house. We've got one drawing room on the side. Look at this with the little powder room. You've got your window looking outside. This here floor is marble. You've got an access to the rest of the house here. We're going to look at the second lounge over here, which is just a lounge. There's no bathroom here. So you've got guests coming over. They can hang out there. They can dine in over here. We're going to look at the rest of the house over here. Let's go. We're going to do a quick walk and talk. So behind me is the lounge. You have your family area over here. You can have your sofas. You can have a massive open space over here. You've got a little bit of a view of the fountain over here. There's fountains in this house. This is the first lounge. We're going to take a look at the kitchen now. This is the massive family kitchen. As you can see, there's an island here. There's a lot of space available. There's available space for your stove with the exhaust over here. And this comes with a massive grease kitchen right over here. Let's take a look. You've got your servant's entrance over here. You've got your sink, you've got your stove, you've got everything available to you over here. So you can make your dishes, your favorite dishes over here, serve them to your family in the big kitchen. We're going to take a look at the first bedroom. So let's take a look. You want to talk about privacy. This is the family entrance. You've got your stairs leading upstairs to your rooms. So even if you have guests over, they won't even know who your family is, when your family is coming in and out. This is the first bedroom. We're going to take a look. Let's go. Massive window over here. You've got your massive bathroom. Massive bathroom over here. It's a little dark, but you can use your imagination. We're going to go to the other side, and we're going to be looking at the fountains. This house has fountains, not one, but two. Let's take a look. Look at that. 2 fountains in this house. What else could you ask for? There's your entrance towards the basement. There's an entrance towards one room that is on the other side of the house. That's one room. This is the second room. Let's go take a look. Big windows, a lot of natural light coming through here. This is your walk-in closet. You can't buy a house like this and not have a walk-in closet. Talk about royalty. This is your walk-in closet, and it is attached to a royal-looking bathroom. Look at these fixtures. These are all imported. The lights, the sink. Look at that tub. There's a shower and there's a tub. If this house doesn't make you feel royal, nothing else will. The main thing about this house is privacy. You've got your gate over there where you can bring in your car, park over here. This here is the main family entrance. You can block off that door in case you have guests over, and then your family can go up to their rooms without anyone knowing, without anyone seeing them. That is privacy that money can't buy. We're going to go upstairs right now. We're on the ground floor right now. We're going to go upstairs in a snap. Whoa, that was fast. You've got your beautiful spiral staircase over here. Now we're on the first floor of this beautiful house. You've got your lounge over here. You've got 3 bedrooms behind you, 3 bedrooms behind me. There's this beautiful lookway where you can look outside and see who's coming in and out of the house. That there is a beautiful, beautiful door made out of wood. You can look down through here at the fountain number 1. Fountain number 2, in case you have a nerd in the house, there's a server room where you can keep your servers and they will stay really cool over there. Let's go take a look inside. So we're upstairs right now. There's bedroom number 1 over here, bedroom number 2 over there, and bedroom number 3 over here. If you're interested in this beautiful 6-bedroom, 2,000 square yard house, don't look at me, look at that guy. That's right, me. If you're interested in this 6-bedroom, 2,000 square yard house, DM comment below if you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. You see all these buttons here and here, down here? Click them, engage them. My name is Shahid. I'll see you guys in the next video.